The new Beta FPV Meteor 75 Pro 04 edition is here. One of the reasons this is so exciting is because this tiny whoop comes with the new DJI 04 video system installed, or the 04 Lite as it's being called. This video system cannot run on 1S battery power natively, but this drone does take 1S batteries. This is possible because Beta FPV has released an all-new, all-in-one flight controller called the Matrix 1S, which has a powerful 5-volt BEC on board, allowing the DJI 04 to remain operational even as the 1S battery sags below 3 volts. But is the added weight and cost of the 04 system worth the improved video quality? That's for you to decide. What I can say is before now it has not been possible to get 4K 60 FPS video off of a drone in this size class. This opens up new possibilities for where footage of this quality can be captured. Size and weight wise, the Meteor 75 Pro falls between traditional 75mm and 85mm whoop sizes, and it uses 45mm propellers. Battery life depends on how you fly, but with 300 mAh batteries, I get about 2.5 minutes of flight time. Using 450 mAh batteries, I get about 3.5 minutes, and with 550s, I get about 4.5 minutes. Let's see some flight footage. Up first will be goggles feed with HUD on screen, and then after that will be the onboard recording. Enjoy. So hopefully you could tell from the footage, I personally am loving this drone so far, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be my go-to tiny whoop for freestyle flying from this point on. As you can see, it's great for flying around the playground, and the video just looks so good. I personally would recommend this drone over the smaller Meteor 65 Pro because I think the extended battery life and better performance in wind make it, to me, an all-around better choice. If you're looking for a 65mm performance or racing drone, I believe analog or HD0 video systems are still the way to go today. If you like this video and want to see more content like it, please like and subscribe and drop a comment about what you'd like to see more of below. Thanks for watching.